Hello. Welcome back to Ghana Friendship. So today is 29th of November. I'm in City of London. I'm in Regent Street. I'm creating content. I'm having coffee. So I'm live streaming. The camera is down here. So I just stopped to grab myself a nice coffee before I continue the second part of the live stream. If you haven't watched the live stream, I'm live streaming right now. If you want to watch a replay, just click on the link below in the description or the link up here and enjoy the live stream. I'm having coffee. The coffee cost me about a few quid. It's pretty amazing. I'm just having a normal strong coffee with the milk, and at the same time I'm live streaming on my iPhone here, like I always do. If you watch the vlog in Clifton, I was doing multiple stuff at the same time. I'm wearing a beret and I'm wearing my jewelries and I'm wearing a very nice Dior jumper, and I have my backpack here which I protect my gadgets in. And yeah, a lot of people are shopping today because it's just a few days or few weeks to Christmas. Yeah, so let me enjoy my coffee, then we can continue the second part of the vlog. And the cafe I am actually is a cafe Concetto. I will probably show you guys over the video so that I can see what they do. They do amazing pastries, they do amazing coffee, they do amazing cocktail. The cocktail actually starts 11 o'clock in the morning because it's very early, and the time right now is 5 minutes past 10. So I'm having coffee before I continue the second part of my day, which will include unlimited live stream. And if you're watching this vlog, I've already live stream. You can go back and watch those live streams.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
And please do me a little favor, just take your phone, look for Ghana Friendship, and then subscribe to my video. Thank you. Do you want to subscribe to my channel? I got distracted. Yeah, so please take your phone, subscribe to my videos, like the videos. They're very, very important for the channel because when you like the videos, you're telling YouTube to subscribe our videos to multiple people. So where I am right now, I'm in Cafe Concetto. That's where I am right now. I'm just having a coffee, then from there I'll continue this part of the vlog. Thank you very much for taking your moment to subscribe. You guys are amazing. I just want to take this moment to thank you guys. Yeah, so let's continue the other part of the vlog. So what I'm doing, I'm in Bond Street, New Bond Street. I'm at the Rough Red coffee shop. I'm in the store. I just ordered myself a Coke and I'm waiting for my coffee. It's going to take about 20 minutes. So if you're in London, in New Bond Street, please do stop here, grab yourself a nice coffee. It's very, very important that you drink while you're shopping or when you're doing your stuff. So I'm just going to relax here and enjoy my coffee. I met a very nice person here, a very nice lady. Yeah, I want to say hello to my viewers.
Yeah, hello everyone. Oh, thank you for taking pictures. Great of taking pictures.
Oh, thank you. So nice meeting you.
Yeah, of course. Lovely to meet you.
Alright, so I just want to give you guys some update today. So I've been live streaming since morning. I've been live streaming from Oxford Circus. Then the first part of the live stream ending Regent Street. Now I'm in New Bond Street. I'm by the Ralph Lauren shop. I just grabbed myself a coffee. Somebody bought me this coffee. Thank you so much, Bill, for buying me a coffee. You can also do the same. You can sponsor a trip. You can sponsor a video. You can click on the link in the description and buy me a coffee like somebody just did. Thank you so much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end the live stream in the Ritz. I'm not sure I'm allowed to get in there with the camera, so I'll end the live stream there. And for those of you who haven't been watching the live stream, I'll be live streaming from Belgravia, Chelsea. It's limited to subscribers only. If you want to engage, you have to subscribe to watch the live stream. So that will be probably in an hour time. I'll get there, then probably set my stuff up, then we can actually give you some amazing content from Belgravia, Chelsea. That's Ghana Fun Chip. We give you raw content only, live stream content only, quality content all the way from the UK, Monaco, Italy, Ghana, everywhere. I promise you, raw content only. So let's continue this part of the vlog.
My words.
Yeah. So yeah, it's called Ghana Friendship as a country in Ghana.
Oh yeah, I know about Ghana. Yeah, I searched it when I was in university.
Okay.
About the gold and
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like, so if you want to check my YouTube or something.
Yeah. So you give me like a big
Yeah,
of course. Yeah. Let me search you on YouTube. Yeah, you can.
Nice to be watching you.
Yolanda.
Nice to meet you. Have a pleasure.
Perfect. Okay, so I subscribe.
Oh, thank you.